Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a fantastic problem from LeetCode, especially problem number 75, known as the sort colors problem. This problem is a great way to practice our sort and algorithmic skills, practically focusing on an efficient method called bucket sort. So let's get started. The sort colors problem asks us to sort an array of O's, of zeros and ones and twos in ascending order. The challenge here is to come up with a solution that both efficient and elegant. Imagine we are dealing with a list of colored balls and we need to arrange them so that all the red balls are together, followed by white and then blue. How would we do it? That's exactly what we are going to tackle. Before we jump into the solution, let's briefly talk about the bucket sort. It's a sorting algorithm that works by distributing the elements of an array into a number of buckets. Each bucket is then sorted individually, either using a different sorting algorithm or by recursion applying the bucket sort algorithm. It's practically effective when we know something about the distribution of the number we are distribution. Okay, let's dive into our Python problem. Anyways, we set an array of values zeros. We know the total are 3, 0, 1, and 2. That's why we are doing that. We iterate through the input array, incrementing the corresponding count in our count array for each number we encounter. We know we have 3, 0, 1, and 2. Anyways, for n in nums and count n plus 1. With our counts ready, we now reconstruct our sorted array. We do this by iterating over our count array and placing the numbers back into our original array based on their counts. So we continue. I equals 0 for n in range len count. Okay, for g in range count n nums I plus n I plus 1 return nums. So let's see what have I done here. In our solution, we first count the occurrences of each number using a simple loop, a for loop. Then we use another set of loops to place the numbers back into the array in sorted order. This approach is efficient because it only requires 2 passes over the data, one to count the numbers and other to sort them. The beauty of this solution lies in its efficiency. It has a time complexity of O of n, big O of n, where n is the length of the input array, and the space complexity of big O of 1, meaning it uses constant extra space regardless of the input size. This makes it highly suitable for large data sets. In conclusion, so that wraps up our discussion on solving LeetCode 75 sorted colors problem using bucket sort. I hope you find this explanation helpful and gained some insight in our sorting algorithm and their application. Let's submit it. And it's as efficient as it can get. Thank you, everyone. please hit a like.